What's going on, guys? Jedi Gamer here, and today we're going to be continuing the story mode for Star Wars Battlefront II. Let's do this. Gonna be playing as Han Solo for this mission, which is cool. I mean, look at his beard. His beard is amazing. Oh my gosh. That's interesting. I never knew Takodana was once a battlefront for war between Jedi and Sith. That's cool. Was just reading the thing. Collect information about Paldora?
All those flight hours at Skystrike Academy for what? Just to get kicked out? And then up here?
Oh my gosh, just look at Han. I'm sorry that I keep going on about his beard, but like... amazing. Okay.
The Republic doesn't care about you. Neither does the Empire. Choose your side wisely.
There's only one side.
Your side?
No, the Republic. You're not listening.
Someday, I'm gonna own the joint like this.
I guess let's explore the castle. I mean, this is cool. Alright, I see something over there. Maybe that's the person we need to talk to.
Roddy, good to see you. Listen, pal, I'm looking for a friend named Paldora. You know him?
After you left me stranded during the Zerka job? Not a chance.
Come on, it all worked out. It must have, because here you are.
Back off. Find your Paldora on your own. You two can talk about your stupid beards.
So the bearded guy. Got it.
Oh my
The
god.
requires half the tactical thinking of something like Cubicard. The simplicity of getting those blades where they need to be makes me feel like a genius.
Okay. So we got some information, better than nothing. We're looking for a bearded guy.
You're gonna sell me the ship for my price, and I'm not gonna put a hole in your gut. That's the deal. I sincerely recommend you take it as offered. Take your time to think about it. Careful.
Huh? I didn't get that. Sorry.
We come back here. I don't know. I'm just looking around for a beard, guy with a beard. Okay, good thing the game's helping me out and telling me where to go. I mean, I had a feeling because there's like 2 sets of stairs, one going up, one going down. Let's go upstairs first.
I can get you all the Munyak wool you want, but the question remains whether or not you can afford it.
Understand something here? Munyak wool has a nice price for me. Not literally.
You know, you look just like a friend of mine, name of Haldora.
You think I look like that idiot drinking Marinzane Gold?
He can afford to drink Marinzane Gold?
Must be nice, right?
Okay, so
Like, huge.
I guess he's rich.
No,
Whatever
no,
that drink is, I guess it's expensive and only rich people can drink it. I don't know.
It's just a race.
Let's go downstairs.
Hey, Mr. Paldora. Long time no see. My Wookiee pal was just asking about you.
You must be confusing me with that insufferable man upstairs.
My mistake.
On the top floor. Was that like upstairs as in right above here, or where I actually was like talking to the other guy? Like up here. Speak to the bearded man drinking Marinzane Gold on the top floor. I'm assuming like up here. This guy?
Where is that droid with my Marinzane Gold?
Okay.
Han Solo! I'm Imperial Specialist Ralcius Paldora. It is a pleasure to finally meet you.
Shh. You want to keep it down?
Oh, right. Because we're meeting incognito.
Come on. We need to get you out of here.
Off we go then.
Okay.
I have the information you asked for. Not on me, of course. I've hidden 2 data cubes in the woods. For safety.
You've got to be kidding me.
The first one has Imperial shipping routes, fueling locations, hidden armaments. It's all for the Republic, in exchange for safe passage and assignment.
What about your Kashyyyk intelligence?
It's in a separate location. Trust me, I have everything you need to free the Wookiees.
Tell me how you learned all this stuff.
Imperial officers like to talk, power plays and whatnot, particularly for one gentleman, name of Rax, if you know him.
Can't say that I do.
He's rather intense.
Okay, very quickly. I'm sorry to pause midway through. Rax. I've heard that name before. This is my first time playing the campaign, like I said. This is all a surprise to me. But I've heard that name before, Rax. Not in the game, but in Star Wars book. And I actually haven't read the book, but I've heard other YouTubers talk about a person named Gallius Rax, I believe. I'm not sure. But pretty much from what I've heard, there was one YouTuber I watched who said this person who by the name of Rax could be who Supreme Leader Snoke is. So this is interesting. I'm intrigued now.
This way.
Oddly enough, most statisticians are killed by apprentice statisticians.
Oh boy.
Frenzy Earth?
I assume this is your fault?
Usually is.
What's my #1 rule, Solo?
No fighting. Come on. We gotta move.
Oh boy.
I stashed the first data cube at a generator just ahead.
You really couldn't bring the intel with you, huh?
Mr. Solo, I'm a covert agent now. I wasn't bringing the information with me. The cantina is full of...
Stormtroopers. Stay quiet. We gotta take them out.
Okay,
No,
crap.
you do. This blaster's just for show. I never learned to shoot.
Great.
The Admiral needs us to find the traitor. We can't afford a leak like this right now.
I'm not sure if we could do stealth takedowns those Han. I'm gonna go around. Oh crap, here. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a stealth takedown on this guy. I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Nice. Wait. Okay, so you have shoulder charge. Okay, that was from Battlefront 1. Sharpshooter. So okay, it's pretty much rapid fire. That was also in Battlefront 1, and then detonate charge. Okay, that's new, but
Prepare to strike!
Nothing personal.
I'm coming for you.
I can't watch! Oh, but I can't stop! Ah! Do you know stormtroopers only land 77% of blaster shots?
That explains why they always miss. Oh my god. I love this game so much. Okay, let's...
Yeah, it could work.
Oh, I'm having such fun!
You're not even doing anything. I'm doing all the shooting. I see you.
Turret out!
Hey, you!
Impressive, Han Solo. The data cube is here somewhere.
Do not even remember where you put it. Oh.
Nothing here.
Oh. Okay. Well. Over here?
No, not there. Where did I leave that?
How do you not even remember? Jeez. No. Whoa. I saw something. Right. Oh, right here. Okay. There it is.
Got it.
The intelligence on that data cube should help your friends in the Republic. Look out! More of them!
Don't get too close.
Imperial Heavy!
Take this.
Where's the Kashyyyk intelligence?
You're near a lovely shrine just through the forest. Onward!
Okay.
You must have good intel if they're sending this many troopers after you.
The Empire is in worse shape than anyone realizes. They're terrified the Republic will find out. The fleet is burning more fuel flying away from your attacks than it can resupply. 1 in every 148 Imperial officers surrender seeking asylum. Our starfighter numbers are down 3.4%.
That's all great, but what about Kashyyyk? Are you sure your information can help the Wookiees?
It will get you on the planet. What does the Republic plan to do?
Not much, but me and Chewie will shut down those labor camps alone if we have to.
Ah, yes, the mighty Chewbacca! Oh, I can't wait to meet him. I'll just be over here, safe and sound.
Okay, crap. Take them out, Till. Yeah, no shit. try the rapid fire. Okay. Doesn't last long. It's only good for a few shots.
Now, where did I leave that working intel?
I'll find it.
I see you.
This works!
This it? I highly doubt it. Oh wow, okay. Never mind.
Found it. Reinforcements. Get down.
Getting down. Yes. That should help get you onto the Wookiee planet. Now, to your famous Falcon.
You know the Falcon?
Yeah. On average, I'd say 2.2 of every 300 Imperials knows the Millennium Falcon.
I'm just gonna say this guy's a nerd. This guy talks a lot.
Shouldn't we get to the ship?
Nothing personal.
Are they waiting to like surprise me? Because they did a good job at that. Oh, there's Chewie.
Chewie, get the Falcon ready. We gotta get out of here quick.
What do I do?
Shut up and run, will you, pal? I'll hold them off. Just get this ship ready to fly.
Come on, Chewie, hurry up. You still alive? His arm is moving. Oh crap.
Rocket launcher! Going in! Got a big one coming for you!
Learn to shoot, huh?
Ryan, go!
Nope. I'm not gonna die as Han. Although I probably will. Yep, just did it. God damn it.
What do I do?
Shut up and run, would you, pal? I'll hold them off. Just get this ship ready to fly. This will be loud.
Oh boy.
This better work.
So fast! Prisoner!
We only got... Okay. An Imperial shuttle comes and only drops like 3 guys. So intimidating.
Another shuttle coming in! Look out!
You're right, Chewie. Today is not my favorite day.
Yeah, that's what I agree. Okay, we got X-Wings suddenly. Oh yeah, well, I guess.
Wonderful stroke of luck!
Hey! Maybe today's not so bad after all.
General Solo, this is Iden Garcio.
Improvise
Inferno Squad is here to help.
Boy, am I glad to see you. What brings you out here, Commander?
You do, General. Senator Organa sent us.
I take it back, Chewie. This is the worst day imaginable.
You're clear on the ground, but we got bad guys and ties on the way.
Just once it would be nice if they didn't put up a fight.
Where's the fun in that, General?
Oh boy, we get to fly the Falcon. Oh boy. Oh shit.
I don't care if Maz is on the comm. I don't want to talk to her right now.
Han Solo.
Hey, Maz.
I always cover my tracks. That's what you said. Now there are ships over my lake.
I can explain.
Don't explain. Just this mess. I would never blame you, Chewbacca. General, we're focusing fire on that cruiser. You with us?
Yeah, let's put them in the bottom of the lake.
Oh, Maz won't like that at all.
Is that a Star? Was that a Star Destroyer above us?
Inferno Squad, form up on me. Enemy starfighter headed for General Solo.
I see him. Proton torpedoes are ready.
Excessive. Unaffected.
Okay, I should see the Falcon's abilities. Afterburner, okay. Speed boost. Special modifications increases primary weapon damage and prevents overheat. Okay. Dual concussion missiles. Okay.
You don't see many of those cruisers around anymore. Not after that shipyard assault a year back. This YT-1300 freighter you've got is something. But its hyperdrive fails 1.22 times more often than the 2400.
Chewie, get him out of my cockpit.
No, wait, I'll behave.
Oh my gosh. This guy, I don't know why, but reminds me so much of 3PO.
I see a tie near the castle. Del.
No,
take him
no,
out.
not gonna crash. No! I crashed the Falcon. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I bet a lot of you are
I don't
triggered.
care if Maz is on the comm. I don't want to talk to her right now.
Han Solo.
Hey, Maz.
I always cover my tracks. That's what you said. Now there are ships over my lake.
I can explain.
Don't explain. Just this mess. I would never blame you, Chewbacca. General, we're focusing fire on that cruiser. You with us?
Yeah, let's put him in the bottom of the lake.
Oh, Maz won't like that at all.
Inferno Squad, form up on me. Enemy starfighter headed for General Solo.
I see him. Proton torpedoes are ready.
Excessive. Unaffected.
We got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. Nice! I had to finish off the rest of those TIE fighters.
That's one tie down. Shriv, enemy on your rear. Take him down, please.
I see him. Firing. You're clear.
Thanks, Aiden.
Man, I think the Falcon is amazing. I just think flying in general is amazing. It's a lot better. I mean, it does take practice, but hey, practice makes perfect, right?
Nice. What's...
Got him.
That had better be the last of them, Solo.
I told you I'd take care of it.
Get out of here already. Just get out. Nice shooting, General. Let's get you back to the fleet.
Actually, I've got something else in mind. Chewie's sending the coordinates now.
Roger that. See you there.
Just be sure you do come back.
Don't worry. You can't get rid of us that easily. She's all yours, Commander.
I'm telling you, Gal, whatever you did to this droid, it's not right.
I just fixed it. You can't blame me if it likes you now.
Inferno Squad. Shriv, I haven't seen you since Lando volunteered you for this. How you been?
Wonderful, Senator.
What's on your mind, Commander?
According to Paldora's intel, my father has been running operations on Bespin and Sullust. I'd like your permission to find him and capture him.
You don't report to me, Iden.
Fleet Command might not approve us undertaking such a personal mission.
Ah, well, we can't have an Imperial Admiral out there reinforcing the fleet, can we? I'd appreciate you bringing him in, Commander.
Yes, ma'am.
And may the Force be with you.
Got a new improved version of the Corvus. We're going to Bespin.
They've got searchlights all over the city.
Hask will be in the Overseer's Tower on Chinook Station. Better stick to the clouds so they don't spot us.
Oh, we're gonna meet Hask again. Okay, well, guys, that's it for the video. Gonna end it here, but I'm gonna upload this and then start streaming the this mission. I call it the next mission, even though we're already on it. But you know, gonna stream the next mission though. Yeah, this is really cool. But I wanna, I'm gonna go back and watch the stream I did for this mission because I wasn't really paying attention. Like, I mean, I was and I wasn't, but like I kind of spaced out for a little bit. But I want to see what that one guy Paldora said when he mentioned Rax, because I just want to see like why he brought up his name. But yeah, things are getting interesting. We're gonna capture Aiden's father, and we're gonna see Hask again. I have a feeling we're gonna get in some sort of like battle with him, or we're gonna end up like killing him. I don't know. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. But So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe down below if you're new to the channel to stay updated, all things Star Wars Battlefront 2. Leave a like, comment down below. All of that's appreciated. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, and may the Force be with you.